Did you know you can earn daily income from Noon without owning a product, a website, or even followers? I'm talking about real money. AED 100, 300, even 500 a day just by sharing links. In this video, I'll show you exactly how the Noon affiliate program works, how to get started in minutes, and how to turn your phone into a passive income machine. All from right here in the UAE. To get your Noon affiliate link, message me Noon on Instagram at ig.moneystacked, and I'll send it to you instantly. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Join Now for Free button. You'll see a login screen. Click Sign Up instead. Now, enter your email address and display name. Check the I'm not a robot box and click Continue. You'll receive a 6-digit OTP to your email. Enter it correctly and click Login. Next, enter your mobile number. Any country works, and tap Send OTP. Check WhatsApp for the code, enter it, and hit Continue. Now, enter your full name and click Create. Done. Your account is now active. Tap Agree to proceed. Once inside, you'll land on the affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find campaigns, payments, reports, commission structure, terms and conditions, support. Let's go to the commission structure. This shows how much commission you earn for every category. Now select the Everyday campaign, click Generate Custom Coupon, enter a code you like, and hit Generate Coupon. You now have your own affiliate coupon code. When someone uses this code, you earn commission. In the next tab, you'll find ready-made affiliate links for UAE and KSA. Then you've got banners for social media promotions, more commission details, and the Reports tab to track performance. Now, let's see how you get paid. Go to noon.com and choose any product. Add to cart, proceed to checkout. Paste your affiliate coupon code. Boom! You'll see an instant cashback of $80.50. Complete the order. You just earned $80.50 for the customer plus $80.50 commission for you. That's a total of $8,100 from one single order. And the best part? You didn't buy anything? You just shared a link. Want to start now? Message me Noon on Instagram at ig.moneystacked, and I'll help you get set up with a free template to promote your code. Let's stack that money.